Hello my dear friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see a walk-in drive from Stelis Biopharma. So the work location is Stelis Biopharma. So they are looking for DP manufacturing experience level 2 to 8 years of experience. So they are not looking for freshers candidates. This is a walk-in interview on 4th June Sunday from 9:30 a.m. onwards at the venue Acrolab Private Limited, which is Bangalore, Karnataka. So these are the key skills required. So you can contact the following persons mentioned here for getting the details if you need of any of those. So these are the details, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So guys, I have posted many videos in this channel previously, so you can also watch them regarding interview preparation as well as the job updates.